Hi, here's another video. I found this Queen LP without its case, and it's got a few scratches, as you can see here. It's just been laying around with no sleeve, and let me just show you what the problem is. Just pop it on this deck and just pop the needle down, and you'll see here. So it plays okay until it gets to certain sections, starts jumping. Let me show you here.
Open your eyes and see. Because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low.
So it's obviously jumping because it's scratched. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just give it a clean, the record, and see if I can get the scratch out. So let me just use this white vinegar, and then I'm just going to use this soft brush, which I've cut down. And let me just show you here. I've cut it down. It's a soft brush. I'll just cut it down so it's a bit harder, the bristles. And then what I'm going to do is just get rid of all the dirt that's on the in the grooves, and just work it around like so to get rid of all the dirt. Obviously won't remove the scratches, and once I've done that, just give it a rinse, get rid of all that soap, and just flip the other side over, get rid of the soap off that as well. And then I'm just going to leave that to dry. Okay, it's nice and dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this toothpick and just run it along as a needle. Just press it lightly onto the record, and it should straighten out whatever scratches there are. I'll just do a little bit here, and I'll just fast forward this. Okay, I've let it go so far, and then all I've got to do now, just give it a try, see if it's any better. Pop the needle down again and see if it's any better. And as you can see there, seems to be playing fine. No scratches, but I will have to repeat this process with the toothpick if I come across any more scratches. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.